The central nervous system, CNS, consists of A, the brain and the spinal cord, B, the heart and the lungs, C, nerves that reach throughout the body. True or false? The peripheral nervous system, PNS, consists of the nerves that run throughout our body. True, false. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. Messages are sent throughout the body by cells that are called blank. Dendrites, nucleus cells, neurotransmitters, neurons. The part of the neuron that sends messages is called the blank. A, dendrites, B, myelin sheath, C, axon terminals. What is the insulating membrane that surrounds the axon, that protects and helps send messages quicker called? A, dendrites, B, myelin sheath, C, axon terminals. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. The gap or space between the two neurons is called the blank. Synapse, floodgate, axon terminal, receiving line. Regulates breathing, digestion, and heart rate. A, central nervous system, CNS, B, peripheral nervous system, PNS, C, autonomic nervous system. Voluntary movements such as raising your hand are controlled by the A, autonomic nervous system, B, somatic nervous system, C, dendrites. This structure helps pass information between the two hemispheres of the brain. A, corpus callosum, B, hypothalamus, C, lobes. This area of the brain is responsible for memory and problem solving. A, frontal lobe, B, parietal lobe, C, temporal lobe. You really do have eyes in the back of your head because of the area of the brain that deals with sight is located at the back of your skull. Which area is this called? A, frontal lobe, B, occipital lobe, C, Broca's area. Auditory messages are sent along nerves that reach which part of the brain? A, temporal lobes, B, amygdala, C, prefrontal cortex. 13. Explain a strategy or a tool that is used to study the brain. You may use the audio option to record your answer. 14. What does the endocrine system do? A, controls and regulates body temperature, B, sends signals for hunger and thirst, C, uses hormones that cause certain behaviors. 15. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the word boxes below. Those who believe our biological makeup influence our behavior are interested in the role of blank. However, those who believe our environments and how we are raised impacts our behavior are interested in the role of blank. Nature, heredity, nurture, socio-culture.